Trust needs proof. Trust is a fragile thing. It takes years to build, seconds to break, and sometimes a lifetime to repair. But here's the truth: trust is not built on promises, it's built on proof. We live in a world where people say what they think you want to hear without any intentions to follow through. But trust is not about what someone says or do, it's what they actually do. Action speaks louder than words because they need no room for doubt. When someone proves they are reliable, that they will show up even when it's inconvenient, trust begins to take root. But here is the catch: trust is not something you give easily or something you take for granted. It is a gift that requires ongoing effort and intention. It is not about expecting perfection, but it's about witnessing consistency without proof. Trust is nothing more than wishful thinking. Think about the people in your life. Who do you trust? Why do you trust them? The answer to those questions often reveals the patterns of consistency, honesty, and reliability. Trustworthy people don't just make promises, they deliver on their promises, even when no one is watching. And you know what? It works both ways.